So you go, turn your body, it goes out, and that momentum flings it out, around, and in. So it's like churning butter, but rather than just using arm, it comes up through the feet, through the quad, and whips out to the hand. So if I'm trying to do push water, and so I'm here, and then I try to push water, this is linear, and I'm just going right into his force. Can you see that? But if I sort of release and I let him have it, and okay, so it works.
Do it again.
Do it again, he said. So it's that circling that is the magic. And if you don't have the circling, then you're missing out. You look great, but you're missing out. So I'm going to do it wrong first. The wrong way is I've gone this way, and now I'm going to turn my wrist, and I'm going to push in. And so that is push water. And I have my structure, and I have everything. Okay, but instead, what I do is I soften here, I release here, and I'm circling the quad. And just by that virtue, did you see the quad come back? He's leaving now. Now, if he were to still hold on here, now I've got more space. So he's off balance. Now I have more space to take him out and around. So that circling